Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Pre-market preparations, Tuesday, November 28th. How is everybody doing? Hey Nadav, thank you very much. First on the live here. Appreciate you taking the time. How is everybody doing? How is everybody week so far? Let's see how, if you can hear me, if you can see me, say hi. Don't be shy. Who is with me? On the screen for now, you can see Fibonacci Traders. This is my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, just go to the playlist, find Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist, and here you will see 26 videos on how to become a better trader each and every day on the technical side and the psychology behind trading. Very important. Never neglect the psychology behind trading. Hi Faiz, thank you very much for joining this live. How was your day? How is your week so far? This is the Fibonacci Academy playlist. You also have Fibonacci psychology behind trading playlists and podcasts. Hi Iran, hello. How is your day? We just met a few hours ago. How is your day since then? So help me grow this channel. Almost 2.5k subscribers. Hi Aslan, thank you very much for joining. Long time. Hi Amir, thank you very much for joining. So this is the Fibonacci Traders, not Discord, YouTube channel. Now you can see futures. Over here, futures, 2 hours. Over here, futures, 15 minutes. As long as we are inside this trend, between these two trend lines, we are in a downtrend channel. Downtrend until proven otherwise. 45.41 now is the support. As you can see, it was resistance over here. Now support. New camera? No, just new settings. Basically, I have no idea what I did. Hope. You once made a video. So hope this camera, these settings will hold throughout this live. New angle, new settings. Same camera. Better than yesterday? Let me know. What do you think? As you know, I always want to get your feedback. Your feedback means everything to me. Not everything, let's be honest. Not everything. You once made a video about an indicator that marks buy and sell points. What was it called? Wow. Let me check it. I don't remember. Because we don't use indicators. But let's go to the Fibonacci Academy playlist. And let's see. See you, very good. Thank you, Rafael. Welcome, Leah. How about the thumbnail? Okay. Concentrate. We are here to talk technical analysis. Fibonacci Traders Academy. We go to the videos. Let's see. This one. Trading view indicator for scalping and day trading. I have one indicator that I'm working on. It's not really an indicator. It's something that I work in the trading view. I'm trying to write Pine script together with ChatGPT And it's not working so far. It looks like ChatGPT doesn't really understand what I want from him. I want indicator that will give me automatically the Fibonacci, trend lines, and ATR on any time frame on any instrument. And then we will become much better traders because we will have buy, sell, take profit, and stop loss according to our risk tolerance. All in one. I'm working on it already for more than 2 months already. In the end, by the way, if you know PineScript, let me know. DM me or just let me know here in the chat. I'm struggling with this PineScript. Cannot do anything. Cannot do everything. So, enough talking. What else? What else do we see? One second. Okay, so these are futures. Let's see below 45.41. We are heading towards sliding down this trend line. Below this trend line, we are heading towards the 45.23. Some kind of a pullback needs to happen. Too high, too fast. Thank you, Iran. Let me know. Let's talk later on Discord. Iran is one of our premium members. Halfway through the course. So, on the SPY, we had several dojis, and as we know, doji is the most significant signal for indecision in the market. 4 consecutive dojis means bulls needs rest. You have the broadening formation over here. Now, 451 needs to hold, otherwise 447, below 447, in my opinion, this gap, the 441, will get filled. If you have any questions, any requests, any comments, any feedbacks, be my guest to write it in the chat now, and all your questions will be answered. QQQ also 4 consecutive dojis, but as long as we are holding inside this channel between these two green trend lines, these are Fibonacci trend lines, we are good to go long. Dow Jones, same thing, and here we are at the upper border of this broadening formation. Broadening formation is the only formation, the only true formation for price action. Some kind of a pullback towards where? No need to guess. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Support 350. Below it, 348. Below 348. This gap at the 344. Weekly close above this red line. And we will see 363 before the end of 2023. What else do we have interesting? Tesla, if you want. Still moving sideways. You know all these levels, you know all these trend lines because you follow me on Twitter and you saw all the pre-market preparations and you saw all the stock market review videos. 232 needs to hold. Below it, this gap and the 223 to the downside. Below it, 210, all this area, the 210, 211 will get visit by price. Nvidia 474 is the support now. Why? It was resistance over here. It was a resistance over here. Needs to hold the support. Next leg up above 488 towards 505 and then 560 before the end of 2023. No one knows. All we know is to follow price, use trend lines, and Fibonacci as our guide for future price action. You have this trend line, you have this trend line, and now you have broadening formation. Will we see this yellow trend line to the downside? Not necessarily, but if you're not long yet on Nvidia, I would wait for some kind of a bounce. What else is interesting? Shopify, super interesting. As you can see, trend line, support, 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 resistance, and yesterday the high of the day, resistance. Now the 71.50 needs to hold. Some kind of a pullback on Shopify after this massive run that gave us, wait, today I learned something new. Date and price range. This is for you, Iran. From October lows until yesterday, 27 days, 18 bars, 62% to the upside. Nice. This is a very nice, helpful tool. So, thank you, Iran. I always learn new things each and every day. Surprises me. Next is AMD. Basically stuck. AMD, as you can see, is slowly grinding up, but looks like the power of AMD's bulls are starting. They are starting to get weaker and weaker. Some kind of a pullback. Same as Shopify. Since October lows until yesterday, 32 days. How come this is 32 days and this is okay? Never mind. 31.80% to the upside in 1 month. Some kind of a retracement, pullback, cool off, call it whatever you want, is very, very healthy before the next leg up. What else do we have? Any other interesting? Look at the... Wow. Iran, you remember we talked about this pattern? The head and shoulders pattern. You remember we took some short? When was it? 5 hours ago we took short. Right? What else do we have? For now, looks like camera is working, the new settings. Nice, nice, nice. Any questions, any requests? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Help me help you. Let's help each other. Let's help each other by learning where price might be heading next. Look at this. You don't need candles. You don't need anything. Give me one. Let's talk about coin. Coin. Why do you need candles to swing trade coin? What do you have? Line chart. True price action. This is a free educational part from me to you. High, high. Right? All we need is 2 points. Now look at coin. Trying. This is why I always say wait another day or two from a breakout. This is a long resistance, but it's a good resistance. It's a resistance for the higher highs. Now, where price might be heading next? Don't need nothing. Look left. Draw lines. Draw lines. Draw lines. Each and every high, each and every low that you see on the chart is a potential support and resistance for future price action. How do I know? Look at this. Look at these two highs. Draw a line in them. Now go right to the future. This area here is the future for this area, right? So also this area here is the future from past. This area here is the future from past. Price always, not always, 99% of the time goes back to where it visited in the past. So if this is the future of this area and this is future of this area, look at here. This area of resistance came from here, which came from here, right? So this area of resistance came from here. So this area will become a support for future price action. And if this area becomes support, this area over here will become resistance, because this area, you have another over here. All this area between the 150 to the 200 was a very important area of support. You can see it over here. So this area in the future will become resistance for future price action. That's it. This is all you need to know. This is all you need to understand in technical analysis. All the rest is not noise, but this is the basic of pure price action. If you understand this, you are already 80% on your way to become a better trader, not a better technical analysis, not a better trader. There is a big difference between trading and technical analysis. Big difference. You can be the best technician in the world, but when it comes to trading, if you lack the mental capacity, if you lack the mental resilience, it doesn't matter which strategy you use, you will fail. Trust me, I've been there. Or you can just take Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, broke above this one. Next is the 143. Hi Darmon, thank you very much for joining. Rafael, which stock are you in day trading? Usually, you know my stocks. I publish them each and every day. Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, Google, Meta, Shop, Netflix, Amazon, and AMD. These are the only stocks, and of course SPY. No need more. These stocks are always on my list. Always, whether for swing trading or day trading. Damon wants DOCN. No need candles, no need nothing, no need extra noise. What do you see here? Downtrend, bounce. Was this the dip? No one knows. But we can understand where price might be heading next. We go further left. We draw lines on each and every high or low, significant high, significant low, not on each and every one. Now you can also draw a line over here. Long continuation above 29, and then you will see 30.70. Above this one, you will see 32.80. Above this one, you have all the levels to the upside. You have more from here, from the past. If you are already long on this name, my stop, if I was you, my stop will be below 27.37. Leah asks, what will come first, the support or resistance? Depends where price come from. If price, let's take once again, DOCN. If price comes from above, so this will become support. If price comes from below, it will become resistance. So if you are talking about DOCN, And if you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above 29.10 or some kind of a pullback towards the 27 and then next leg up. You have here the perfect example of what is a trend reversal. We had a downtrend, bounce over here, broke above this area, made higher highs, higher lows, and that's it. You are in an uptrend until proven otherwise. Until when? No one knows. It can go all the way up to 50. Why? Because price already visited here. What else do we have? What else? ACLS. As you can see, we don't need Fibonacci. We don't need nothing. We don't need and of course, we don't need any other lagging indicators. Look left, you have price action, the best indicator in the world. Price action. Use it. Why price came all the way to here and got rejected? Because it was here. Look at the candles. All this area, resistance. Now all this area, support. Why? Because it was support over here. Breaking below, you're going short to here. Not you. It's my opinion. Just for the educational purposes. Don't ever listen to me. Never ever listen to me. Never. Never ever. So all this area, resistance. Now breaking below. Closing below. Not just breaking, because it can break in the first hour and then come back up. You need a close below this area. Then you can go short towards the 113. Below 113, you will have 107. Below this, you will have this. Below this, you're going way south to the lower 80s. Over here, let me put my phone on silent. 1 second. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I'm liking this live. We are learning a lot in this live, right? And you have trend lines. Over here, you have another trend line. Over here, what do you see? Downtrend until proven otherwise. What else? What else? What else do we have? When do you use ATR and when do you use the Fibonacci as stop loss? It's a combination of both. It's not this or this. It's a combination of both of them. Whichever makes more sense to me, according to my risk tolerance. And as you can see, once again, trend lines bouncing off a trend line. Magic. Nope, this is not magic. Pure price action. Learning how price acts and reacts for Fibonacci and trend lines. If you want to learn, check the links in the description below. What else? Oracle. We talked about Oracle, no? Oracle. This was ACLS. Oracle had a nice uptrend. Now, what do you see? You have a gap over here, right? Let's mark it. Gap over here. Now in the past few sessions, already 2 weeks or so, just moving sideways. So this area is the support. This area is the resistance. Above this, where Oracle will go, you have another small gap over here. And then over here. And then 127. Above 127, look left. Oracle never been higher than 127. So where Oracle might be heading next? Don't guess. Check Fibonacci. Swing low. Swing high. That's it. Above 127.50, 136. Above it, 147. You don't believe me? Go left. Take this trend, for example, this trend, or this trend, or this trend, or any other trend. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Look, all the extensions to the upside gave us future resistance. And where price, the all-time highs, twice? Future Fibonacci. So now you can take Fibonacci to the upside, 137. Remember 137 from 1 minute ago? That's it. This is the magic of Fibonacci. It took me around 2 years to really understand of Fibonacci. It's amazing. Amazing, I tell you. What else? I'm trying to stop with the mouse. Someone told me that I play with the mouse too much. How many likes we have? That's it? Come on. More likes. Give me likes. Give me likes. No, just kidding. I'm not here for the likes. I'm here to learn from you. What interests you? Any other questions? Any other comments? Any other requests? If you check the description in the description. 1 second, I show you the description. You have everything that you need in the description. Here you have the lifetime access live one-on-one mentorship program. If you want it, it's available in Hebrew and in English. Use live 15 and you get 15% off. And you can also have same program, the online, pre-recorded, available in English, available in Hebrew. 21% off with these codes. You want one-on-one with me? No problem. Check this link. You want only the premium room? No problem. Check this link and get 21% off. Now you see me again and again and again. So check the links in the description below. What else? AFRM. AFRM. Trying to break above the upper border of this option channel. You need at least one more day to hold above this, and then you will get a nice bull run towards the 38. So if you're long already on AFRM, use ATR or Fibonacci or both as your risk management. If you're not long yet, wait for another day or two above this green line, maybe above the 31.75, and then you will see 38 to the upside. It was the peak of August 2022 overall AFRM. Super nice. Super nice. What else? SoFi. Downtrend until proven otherwise. This is SoFi. Only a break above this. What do you see? Even if you don't understand technical analysis, you don't understand stock market, you don't understand anything, this line goes from upper left down right, which means it's sliding down. You want to go long, wait for a break and a close above 750, and then you will meet 820, 860. No need Fibonacci. Then you will meet this area, the 9, and then you will meet 970, and then 1150. But this is the support. All this area, 690, 670 is the support. You want to go long, in my opinion, only above 750. Let's put an alert over here. Any other questions? Any other requests? Let's see. Wow, what a bounce. Nice bounce because we hit a trend line. This is the magic. It's not magic, it's pure technical analysis. Pure technical analysis. It's not rocket science. Simplify your charts. Simplify your charts. The more simple your charts, the easier it will become for you to see things no one else sees. Here you have. Not so accurate. You can do it like this. Now, you have the Fibonacci trend lines. Fibonacci trend lines. Where the trend is going? To the downside. So, if no other requests, no other questions, I hope. First, thank you very much for joining this live. I hope you found it helpful and, more important, educational. If you did, like, subscribe, share with friends. Don't forget the notification bell. Once again, thank you very much for joining. Until the next video, until the next live, stay safe.